What does the AirPods come with? AirPods work with all iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch models that run iOS 10 or later. This includes the iPhone 5 and newer, the iPad mini 2 and newer, the 4th generation iPad and newer, the iPad Air models, all iPad Pro models, and the 6th generation iPod Touch. Will the iPhone 11 come with AirPods? Once again, Apple has bundled a pair of the wired earpods inside the box, however the iPhone 11 doesn't come with AirPods. AirPods are Apple's pair of truly wireless earbuds. As a frame of reference, Samsung has decided to include its AirPod rivaling Galaxy Buds with the brand's foldable Galaxy Fold smartphone. Do AirPods fall out of your ears? But the outer part of the eardrum where the AirPods fit isn't the same size for everyone, so either the AirPods stay in your ears or they don't. Your AirPods slowly creep out of your ears until you can barely hear the audio. Then, unless you catch them quick, they fall out. Does the XR come with AirPods? No iPhone model currently comes with AirPods included. They're available separately from Apple as a premium audio accessory and are compatible with the iPhone 5 or newer. Current model iPhones come with standard wired earbuds with Lightning connectors. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.